squishy? No, not this one. Get out. My friend gave that to me. Want this one? This kind of squishy? I got you. It's really easy. You just need tape, cotton. You actually need cotton, scissors, and tissue. But you will also need a pen for the face. Now first, get your cotton and put it in the middle. Then, make sure to put it like this, that it will fit. Then you will fold it and then tape it until it goes like this. Then fold it and then tape it. Make sure no cotton should be seen. Then flip it to your thing. Do the squish test. Then get your pen and make your design like this. Guys, do this, okay? And sorry for that one part that I forgot to pause the video, guys. I'm really sorry because I accidentally didn't, but don't forget you will also do this. Then you'll tape it, then tape it, and you're done. Sorry for some parts of the video I didn't pause, but thank you for watching the video. You can also do any kind. Thank you so much. And if you don't like it just like plain or something like that, just clear it up with some tape. And guys, make sure that you use clear tape, okay? Bye. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped. Bye. See you in the next video.